Dwar nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Giving so I on behalf of the military
Sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jelau ba Preston Tensong hne kesngi ula Plie ya ke Jingkieng Dwar Ksuid. Hakane kesngi lai don langru MLA ka thain uba George Lengdo ka Deputy Commissioner Plie District, Superintendent of Police Plie District, ke Officer jongka National Highway Authority of India, ke Officer jongka Border Roads Organization bat QA. Habakren hakane kesngi nakaliang usembut Menteri Rangba Walaupun pawi ke jeng sengongu ya ke biaro ke bala trai sitom ban pendep ya kene ke Jingkieng tang hapo san sengi. Ula ongru panak liang jong ke sarkar kelaptha ya ke Deputy Commissioner ban wat kilat kilenti ban yo ya ke jaka thamai ban shna ya ke surak kenang ba ki Paidbah kin lai na ki jing e baro.
which you all know, we do have some technical problem with the existing RCC bridge constructed way back in 2009, 2010. And you need to know one thing, this road is being looked after by the National Highway Authority of India. So of late, we have detected a few technical problems of this existing RCC bridge. Then ultimately, we have no option but to stop flying of loaded trucks, loaded vehicles through this RCC bridge. And ultimately, state government jointly with the National Highway Authority of India, we have taken a decision that we will have a temporary alternative. And ultimately, we are able to complete this Plie bridge. And I would like to play for record. Number one, the chief engineer of the PRO. They are the one who did a fabulous job. Within 5 days' time, I think they laid this bridge, as you have all seen it. You have all witnessed. So I'm happy to inform to all of you that the flying of loaded vehicles will start immediately when we leave this place. Number two, well, the state government, along with the National Highway Authority of India, we are still working out about the existing RCC bridge, whether we'll be able to make it again functional or not. That we still dependable upon the technical detail report submitted by the expert, and then the Ministry of Road Transport will take a call on that. And then for a permanent solution, let me just tell you, now District Administration has been asked to identify alternative permanent alignment, where the Deputy Commissioner will be on the job, identifying the place and then processing of land acquisition and all. So that will take maybe a little time. But as I said to you, right now, temporarily, we'll be able to utilize again these bridges, both for the empty loaded vehicles. We will allow them to fly through this old existing RCC bridge, and then the loaded trucks will fly through the belly bridge. And the capacity of this bridge is 40 metric tons. 40 metric tons. District Administration, along with the Office of the SP Ripoy District, they will regulate, because this one is a one-way. It's a one-way, up and down, and then the police will station here 24/7.
And when do we expect that the construction of a permanent bridge will be starting?
No, I just told you. I've already told you. Right now, DC has been tasked the efforts of identifying alternative alignment, and that DC will take care of everything. And then in the meantime, what we wanted is to make sure that this RCC bridge again can be used or can be reused maybe for certain years. So that, as I said to you, we leave it to the expert, which is now the report lies with the Ministry of Road Transport, and then Road Transport will take a final call on this maybe within a few months from now.